What's up, guys? Filler number 2 for Contenders, random number 1, timestamp 217. Grab our list. Dice has to be 4 or more. 7 going 7 times. Top 3 are in. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe not 5. No idea what's happening here. Alright, let's see. Maybe we're gonna have to open another one, guys. That one is froze up. Still showing randomizing. This one, I guess, is not going to count. For whatever reason, it's not working. Let's see if we can try this one. Let's grab our list and throw it in this one, see what happens. Check this again. Yeah, this one, never seen that before. 4 more, we're going 10 times. Top 3 are in. Good luck. Let's see if this one works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final, number 10. Brandon, Micah, and Landon. UVEWFW is your code. So that one did work. And we are done. Very interesting. Never seen that before. 220. Thanks, guys. Look at that. Still randomizing. Just froze for some reason.